What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to check out Popular Science 1968. I think every true man should be able to live their ability to fly around a helicopter, shoot off a few rounds, and do a barrel roll with their right winger in the back and see if they can make him puke. First one to puke loses. That's right, the winner. Shave your wiener in the winter for the whammons. Loving the Pip-Boy ephemeris. You gonna buy it or what, sonny? Philippine mahogany. I have never heard of that before. Oh, these guys on the right-hand side just want to piss me off. I'm Canadian, and we can't get land unless you've already had it, unless it's been given to you, man, or unless you have a lot of money. And that's now. Prosperity awaits. 1.25 acre. Wow, that's not too bad. Hank Hill only had 1/8 of an acre. John Redcorn, what the hell are you talking about? If I stole all your land, would I really be on 1/8 of an acre of it? Don't miss out on your ability to shoot some freaking deer. I freaking love every battery ad. Naked power, I tell you what. Yeah. Why are they using a key instead of a quarter? That's like using a banana. That key looks like the kind of thing that I'd use in the file cabinets, the little thing. Is that a baby's hand? The air gun. That looks like a lot of fun. The advertisement shots are always worth the most time. Bug killer, indoors. I got one viewer who asked that I get bigger paid shots. This is going out to you, buddy. New way to take notes and keep yourself up to date and not want to shoot yourself in the face. I definitely think that you could mess with some people if you blew that thing up on a windy day on a beach and just kicked it downwind. I love fishing with magnets, but I'm always worried I'm going to find like a body or something like that. Back when they would advertise something like a socket set, you never advertise a socket set anymore. Is watch repair even a thing anymore? So, Mr. Girton, a good personal friend of mine, older gentleman, he tried to get his watch band changed, but the jeweler said he couldn't do it because they don't carry that brand anymore. And oh, Mr. Girton was pissed about that. Oh, here we got an issue. You're gonna fix it after we give the boy the belt. We'll figure it out. We're just gonna put this in here. Yeah, and mom's not going to get upset because that takes away her space under the counter. And then she's not going to get upset about the fight and domestic abuse it's going to bring up. Man, things were so much better back in the day. That is a really cool. That is a really cool advertisement. So much going on. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about things being better back in the day. Sometimes things definitely were better back in the day. I mean, you could definitely have situations where you would have neighborhoods where you could leave empty milk bottles with money out, uh, and everything would be okay, and no one would ever come. And then also have darker racist things happening on those same streets. Oh, geez, I think Waco had a crazy thing hanging from a tree, right? I'm not going to get into that, but I want to touch on that. So there was a comic book crossover where Superman from back in the day came into Superman of today, and he was like, everything was better back in the day, and we need to go back to my time. Oh, I love this. It's always investigate accidents with women. Investigate accidents. See beautiful women. Show them how they could get into accidents. I don't know what they're going for. Why did they try to use women on this? Maybe say, you would talk to women. I don't think those women are really going to want to talk to you too much. Like, are they advertising it a way to pick up women? Shaw beats smoking. That's an alternative to smoking, all right. But anyway, so I went back and I looked at the Superman comics from the Golden Age, and he was fighting a lot of Nazis. I don't think things were really all that much better back in his age. I think he just glossed over that whole fighting the Nazis thing. And he's like, nope, our time was so much better. We don't have Nazis these days, Golden Age soups. Check it out. I will never want them to stop advertising to me with women. Imagine she's playing a mariachi thing. Oh, wow, Red Wing's been along that long. Hard-working loafers. Wait, they made loafers? Red Wing, hardcore, they're the only ones that'll make a boot that's thin enough for my foot. Study art. Are you into pornographies? Well, learn art and you don't need the internet, basically. They keep selling that. Every time they sell these art things, they always have a picture of a really good looking woman next to it. This looks like the woman that tells us all that the patriarchy is a thing and that we're all horrible people and we should give her power. Madame Zandu? This is where Daddy locks me when I'm bad and we're on vacation. That's right. Spray DDT all over your backyard. Use it once a year and have it in your garage forever. Hudson's Power Sprayer. Actually, that'd be a quintessential contractor tool these days, wouldn't it? Fun machine. Let's face it, that's the only reason we get right on lawnmowers, to make it fun. So males, now that I got you here, I got something I need to pass by. Some of my feminist girlfriends said the only reason that men keep their lawns as nicely as they do is basically a pissing match with their neighbors. They want to make their lawn look better than the neighbor's lawn. I didn't think that at all. My family never thinks that. But when I asked my friend about it, my friend the devil said, yes, that's exactly why I do it. I do it in a particular way just to kind of say I'm better than them. I'm like, I don't think Hank Hill would do it that way. Legit, I pull a lot of good energy from Hank Hill. He's a respectable guy at the end of the day. What the heck is that? I want one of those. I absolutely love the way that they make these retro futuristic images of what they think things will look like. It's very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It's wonderful to watch. You know, I think all us mechanically inclined people really appreciate this kind of shot. Though it works well on paper, it kind of feels nice in our soul to think that this is how it works. But you know damn well they're going to run into a million little problems. Like they're going to find out that, what was it, composite? They're supposed to use titanium, not composite. You know what I mean? Something like that. Ocean Gate, good times. What the hell is a wardroom? So I heard about this World War One, maybe, U-boat that sank because someone took a shit and they didn't flush it the right way. Oh, that's the oxygen tank. For a sec there, I thought it was like a bowl that if they needed oxygen, they just kind of went over and dipped their head into it. Buddy over here taking a dump. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, yeah. Wait, is that wood? Is that wood rim? How I became a deadly weapon. Hiya! Kick. Punch, it's all in the mind. Oh boy, that's not just camera blur. This middle-aged... Oh my god, is that Napoleon Dynamite? Did Napoleon Dynamite make this? Like, for real, this is Napoleon Dynamite. How I became a deadly killing weapon. Achoo! Hey Pedro, did you get the fade on that? Oh sweet, I was right, it can do a barrel roll. That thing is awesome. Legit though, I don't think I've seen this thing too much. Maybe it didn't work out too well? Kick the tires like you kick your wife. It's okay, it's the 60s, she's not considered human yet. Legit, sometimes I make jokes that, I take that one back actually. But I mean with the way my girlfriend describes the 60s. Any excuse to use a gun. Any excuse. I mean, you could get like a tripod or something, or like anything, but no, you have to have a gun. That is pretty cool though. This camera will freeze time in the 68 Olympics. I was told it's all about whose boobies make it across first. So men want those big supple boobies. Huh. Okay. Oh geez, it goes through a little bath right there all on its own. Does it come out developed then? I guess it would. Huh. Oh, no me gusta. Oh, rough. Oh, jeez, I wonder how many people got hurt in that one. I can be a very vengeful person, but I don't even have any enemies that I would want getting caught up in that. New ideas from the inventors. I wonder if that would actually work out very well. Probably not very aerodynamic. Probably get smacked in the face once or twice, I bet. It's interesting how flat they made it. The lazy-ass man chair. You know, as soon as you get in there, your wife is going to ask you to do something that you reasonably should do for her. And then as soon as you get out of it, the cat or the dog's going to take your spot, and you're going to love them too much to kick them out. Oh my god, I want one. Why doesn't International Harvest Company make trucks anymore? Why? I bet they'd make really good trucks. So they could make tractors. First bacon in 90 seconds. Oh boy. Anyways, this is it from me, folks. The rest of it's pretty much destroyed. Have a good one and take care of each other, please. Catch you later.